So now we're ready to add the broth to make our gravy, our mushroom gravy for our tofurky. And you're going to add your 4 cups of mushroom or vegetable broth. And you're basically going to kind of whisk it in, mix it in as you go. And you're basically adding this whole container. Cook this on a low heat until it's thickened, which is going to take a few minutes. We're going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce. And we're also going to add some black pepper, about a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of eyeball it. Okay. And you're going to just whisk this all together. And it'll start to thicken up as it cooks. So we're going to give that a few minutes to thicken up, and then we're going to add our mushrooms and onions that have been sauteed.